Hello guys, it's me again after I came from the gas station on my way now to shop. I want to buy a few things over here. I don't know. Oh, I think I forgot something in my car. I'm gonna get something from my car. Yep, that's my car. I forgot my car keys over here. Okay. Let's go. It looks as if there are no people here today. Oh, I have to lock my car. Lock my car. Okay. Let's see who's here. It's still cold here. Yeah, I know. Good life fitness. Let's go to the gym. I'm going to buy a few things. I'm going to buy something. Oh, this is like a ghost town. There are no people here or what? Someone is cleaning over there. And there aren't people here. It's beautiful, it's clean. I'm going to this shop called Winners. Yeah. The things over there. Sit down. I can go in here and buy some things. Which is this it's like $16. Oh, I needed a mirror. Yes, for sure. I needed a mirror to be putting makeup with. Can you see me? I need some hair clips for Olivia. Like these ones. These are the ones you told me about. Okay, I'll get them for you. Bad salt. I need this to soak myself. What's this? Ooh, this is beautiful. It's almost summer. Now they have things to go to the beach with. Like clothes and everything. Wow. Yeah, to my viewers, you watch my video, I will send you a gift. Okay? Maybe I need some eyeglasses. Oh, these are nice. Which one do you like here? Oh, these ones are beautiful. So nice. Let me try this. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jacqueline here. I'm going to put gas in my car. Yeah, here it's do it yourself. Yeah, that's my car. Let's do the gassing of the car. So I think it's too far from the thing. Oh, I forgot to open the car thing. It's over here on the bottom, over here. Okay. Yeah, you see now it's open. Oh dear. And then I don't know if this thing gonna come up here. Yes, it will. Okay, I'll just do this first. I have to pay in the machine. You have to insert the car. No, thank you. 100. Okay. Remove the card and lay up. Oh, thanks. Remove the nozzle and regular. And then I come here and I gas my car. And this thing has the thing here to put it there to gas it. As you can see, it's fueling over there. You can see it. Yeah. It's fueling over there. It's fueling over there. Yeah, I'm on this machine over here. And you can see it's going. The money is going. The money is going. Let's see how much it will make. Here. Let's see how much it will make. That's it'll make, and that's the shop. This is another guy fueling over there. Here you do it yourself. Nobody has time to do it for you. Yeah, I want to put like a couple of dollars. Yeah, until I fill up. I want to fill it up. And not like coming here all the time. Those are the wrong stuff. Yeah, still fueling is on 62. No, I like it to feel. You know I'm African. I like when the thing feel completely. I want to make sure it's overflowing. It's full. Not yet. Full it completely. Okay. It's full now. I put back the nozzle thingy. And it's asking me to complete the receipt. Yes, I'll take my receipt. Give me the receipt. And how much did I put? Let's see. Did I? Oh, I got 400 points. I don't know. I don't even know how to check this receipt. Okay, I'll cross this before I forget. Otherwise, I'll be driving around with a thing with no... Jeez. Okay, now it's locked. Yes. And close it. And girl. Put the receipt here in the garbage and then go in the car and here. Okay, I don't know if you can see me well. I have to sanitize my hands because I just came from the what? From the gas thing. And it's very dirty. Everybody touches it. I got my sanitizer here. I'm anjamophobia. I touch. So I have to sanitize properly. And then I have to put back my card in the what? my card in the kebeti. I don't know what you call this. Purse? Yeah. Here's my card. And then it's time to go to work. I'm going to work, by the way. And now I'll start my car and go. Yes. Back up your car and go. And that's me going. I'll meet you on the next, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.